Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths class 6 by Galaxy Publications. Now we are doing chapter 6, decimals. Decimal fractions, the fractions in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000 etc. are known as decimal fraction. For example, 3 upon 10, 5 upon 100, 48 upon 1000, these all are decimal fractions. Okay, now decimal fraction with 10 as denominator, जिसको हम बोलेंगे 10th. Okay, we know that 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 9 by 10 represent 1 tenth, 2 tenth, 3 tenth, 4 tenths, 9 tenths etc. We write them as 1 by 10 means 0.1, 2 by 10 0.2, 3 by 10 0.3, like this. So here this dot is called the decimal point. We read them as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.9 respectively. So note that 0.1 we can write 0.1, 0.3 we can write 0.3, 0.9 we can write 0.9. Okay, now the next decimal fractions with 100 as denominator, जिसको हम बोलेंगे hundredths. We know that 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, these represent 100th, 200ths, 300ths, like this. Okay, so we write them as 1 by 100 means 0.01, 2 by 100 means 0.02, 3 by 100 means 0.03, like this, and we read them as 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.09 etc. Okay, and 0.01 we can write 0.01, 0.99 we can write 0.99. Okay, now the next decimal fraction with 1000 as denominator means thousands. So we know that 1 upon 1000, 2 upon 1000, 9 upon 1000, all these represent 1000, 2000, 9000, like this. So here we write them as 1 by 1000 means 1 upon 1000 means 0.001, 2 upon 1000 means 0.002, 9 upon 1000 means 0.009, like this. So we read them as 0.001, 0.002, 0.009. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. And 0.001, how we can write? 0.001. 0.011, how we can write? 0.011. Okay, now example 1. Express the numbers 2 whole 1 by 10, 6 whole 17 by 100 and 18 whole 29 by 1000 as decimals. So 2 whole 1 by 10 means 2 plus 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 means 0.1. So it becomes 2.1. Okay. Now 6 whole 17 by 100. It becomes 6 plus 17 by 100. 17 by 100 है तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको 0.17. So 6.17. Okay. The next is 18 whole 29 by 1000. So 18 plus 29 upon 1000. It becomes 0.029. So what is the answer? 18.029. Okay. The next we have decimals. The numbers expressed in decimal form are called decimal numbers or simply decimals. For example, each of numbers 5.8, 19.63, 7.295 etc. This is a decimal. A decimal has two parts, namely first is whole number part and the second is decimal part, and these two parts are separated by a dot which is called the decimal point. The part on the left side of decimal is called the whole part, whole number part, and that on the right side of decimal point is the decimal part. For example, 68.49. So we have whole number part 68 and decimal part is 49. Okay, now decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal gives the number of decimal places. For example, 4.932 has 2 decimal places, right? 7.632 has 3 decimal places. Okay, now reading of a decimal fraction. While reading a decimal fraction, the digits on the left of the decimal point are read as whole number and digits on the right of the decimal point are read as individual digits. For example, this number is given 854.615. So how we can read it? So 854 होल पार्ट को हम ऐसे ही बोलेंगे जैसे वंस, टेंस, 100 में, एंड जो डेसिमल के बाद है उसको हम सेपरेटली बोलेंगे डिजिट्स को. सो इट कैन बी रीड एज 854.615. This number 22.768, so 22.768. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. See the next. Observe the following, like the first one. Here we have total 10 parts, 3 are shaded, so 3 by 10 is the fraction and we can write 0.3. Now the second one, here complete 2 parts shaded and here total 10, 4 are shaded. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4 by 10 means 2.4. Okay. Now writing decimals in place value chart. Table given below shows the value of each place in a decimal fraction. We can use this place value chart to expand a decimal fraction using decimals or fractions. Now expanded form. This is a form in which we add the place value of each digit forming the number. See 145.321. So how we can write? This is at ones place, this is at tens, this is at 100. So 1 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Okay. Now after decimal point, what to do? 3 is at 10th place. So 3 into 1 by 10. 2 is at 100th place. So 2 into 1 by 100. And 1 is at 1000th place. So 1 into 1 by 1000. Okay. Now we can write this one as it is, and here this becomes 0.3, this is 0.02 and this is 0.001. This is the decimal form, right? So as we have read that the number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal fraction gives the number of decimal places. So here you can see like ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, we know this one. Now this is the decimal point. So this is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000. 10th means 1 by 10, hundredths means 1 by 100 and thousands means 1 upon 1000. 1 by 10 becomes 0.1, 1 by 100 becomes 0.01 and 1 by 1000 becomes 0.001. Okay, so when we are moving from right to left, increasing value by 10 units. Okay, यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 1 से 10s पर जाएंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, फिर 10s पे हंड्रेड्स में गए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, फिर 100 से 1000 में मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 and here we are dividing by 10. Okay, now see here increasing value by 10 times when we are moving from right to left, and when we are moving from left to right, decreasing value by 1 upon 10 times, right? Now we are talking about equivalent decimals. Decimals are a type of fractional number. The decimal 0.2 represent the fraction 2 upon 10. We know that 2 upon 10 is equivalent to 1 upon 5, since 1 upon 5 times of 2 upon 2 is 2 by 10. So therefore the decimal 0.2 is equivalent to 1 by 5 or 2 by 10 or 20 by 100 or 200 upon 1000, etc. Observe the following representation. See here, we can see like this, total 10 equal parts, 2 are shaded, we are getting 2 by 10. Now here we are dividing this one into 100 square. So 20 are shaded, 20 by 100. Here we are dividing in 1000 equal parts and 200 are shaded. So 200 upon 1000. So you can see equal portion shaded, right? So this is 2 tenths, this is 20 hundredths, and this is 200 thousandths. Means 2 by 10, 20 by 100, 200 by 1000. This is 0.2, this is 0.20, this is 0.200. But all these are equivalent because they have the same value. Okay, so all these are equivalent decimals. Now 1 point, writing of remaining zeros at the end of the decimal does not change its value. Like 0.5 we can write 0.50, we can write 0.500, we can write 0.5000. Okay, हम जितनी मर्जी जीरो एंड में लगा सकते हैं. Like 7.9, 7.90, 7.900, 7.9000, like this. Okay. Now example 2. Give next two decimal numbers in the sequence, like the first one 1.32, 1.42, 1.52. The next is 1.62, 1.72. Okay. Now the second one 1.14, 1.25, 1.36. You can see their difference is 0.11. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 0.11 इसमें ऐड कर देंगे, we are getting 1.47. 0.11 ऐड करेंगे, we are getting 1.58. Right? Now example 3, write the number name for 408.957. So write in the words 408.957. Okay. Now example 4, write the decimal fraction 35.439 in expanded form. So here 35.439. So how you can write 30 plus 5 plus 4 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 9 upon 1000. This is the fraction form, or we can write in decimal form. How? 30 plus 5 plus 0.4 plus 0.03 plus 0.009. This is the decimal form, right? Now we are coming to exercise 1. Here question number 1, write the following fractions in decimal form. Like here C part 3 upon 100. So 100 denominator में है, then what will you do? आप decimal कहाँ पर लगाएंगे? Before 2 digit. We have 1 digit 3, so add 1 0 here. So this becomes 0.03. Okay, like here E part 75 upon 1000. We have 2 digits, लेकिन हमें decimal कहाँ लगाना है? Before 3 digits. So 75 के आगे 1 0 and here point and then 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Similarly, you can try second question. Now the next is third question. Write the following in decimal form, like B part 23.05. So how you will write it? 23.05. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth question, write the following in expanded form, like C part 44.444. So how you will write? 40 plus 4 plus 4 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Fraction form, decimal form में कैसे लिखेंगे? 40 plus 4 plus 0.4 plus 0.04 plus 0.004. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 5, filling the boxes, like here A part 3.69 equals to 3 plus 6 upon dash plus 9 upon dash. 6 is at 10th place, so 6 upon 10, and 9 is at 100th place, so 9 upon 100. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे 6 क्वेश्चन है, राइट द फॉलोइंग इन द शॉर्ट फॉर्म, एक्चुअल नंबर लिखना है, लाइक डी पार्ट 10 plus 7 plus 0.5 plus 0.02 plus 0.006, यानी ये 10th प्लेस पर है, ये 100th पे और ये 1000 पे. So this becomes 17.526, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next is like and unlike decimals. Like decimals. Decimals with the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 0.9, 4.7, 7.3. सब नंबर्स में डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट है, सो दिस इज 1 decimal place. So these are like decimals. Now see this one, 3.17, 0.89, 46.15, decimal point के बाद 2 digits हैं, so 2 decimal places. These are like decimals. Now the next, unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals, like 0.8, 2.17, 6.145. These are unlike decimals. 4.18, 0.9, 17.865. These are unlike decimals. Now to change unlike decimals into like decimals, हम unlike decimals को like decimals में convert कर सकते हैं. See how we can convert unlike decimals into like decimals by adding zeros to the right of decimal point or by finding their equivalent decimals. Example, see here 2.9, 7.84, 9.156. आप देखो हमारे पास 3 decimal numbers हैं. In this number we have 3 digits after decimal, here we have 2 digits after decimal, here we have 1 digit after decimal. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबको चेंज कर देंगे 3 decimal places में. ओके, सो व्हाट टू डू, 2.9 we can write 2 zeros, so it becomes 2.900. This is 0.84, एक जीरो ऐड कर देंगे, it becomes 7.840. This one 9.156 as it is, right? So these all are like decimals with 3 decimal places. Now the second one, 0.6, 5.48, 6.165. फिर यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है, 1 digit है after decimal, here we have 2 digits after decimal, here we have 3 digits after decimal. तो हम मैक्सिमम में चेंज करेंगे, यानी हम क्या बनाएंगे, 3 decimal places. So 0.600, 5.480, 6.165 as it is. So very simple. Now the next is comparison of decimals. अब decimal numbers को कैसे compare करें? So to compare the decimals, we have to follow the following steps. Step 1, express the given decimals as like decimals. First of all, उन्हें हम change कर देंगे like decimals में. Now step 2, compare the whole number part first. The number with the greater whole part is greater, and if the whole part of the numbers are equal, then go to the next step. Okay, now step 3, compare the 10th part. The decimal with the greater 10th part is greater. If the 10th part is also equal, then compare 100th part and so on till you get a different part. Okay, see example 5. Which decimal is greater, 87.40 or 87.216? So first of all, convert into like decimals. ये क्या बन जाएगा, 87.400 and this one as it is. Now compare whole parts, 87, 87, both are same. Now compare 10th part. This is 4, this is 2. So 4 is greater than 2. That's why the first number is greater than the second number. Very simple. Okay, now the next, conversion of decimal into a fraction. किसी डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में कैसे चेंज करते हैं? वेरी सिंपल. टू चेंज अ डेसिमल इनटू अ फ्रैक्शन वी हैव टू फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. स्टेप 1, write the given number without decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Then step 2, write 1 in the denominator followed by as many zeros as the number of decimal places in the given number. Then step 3, reduce a fraction into the lowest form and if required change into mixed numeral. See how to do. Example 6, convert 15.68 into a fraction. So now don't think about this decimal, just take the number without decimal. It is 1568. This is the numerator. Okay, और denominator में क्या आ जाएंगे? Because decimal के बाद 2 digits है, so we will get 100. So it becomes 1568 upon 100 and we can write as a mixed fraction. So this is the answer. Now example 7, convert 4.678 into mixed fraction. So numerator is 4678 और नीचे क्या आ जाएंगे? 1000 because 3 digits हैं after decimal. So it is the value and now convert into mixed fraction. I hope this is clear to you. Now conversion of a fraction into decimal. अब fraction से decimal में जाना है. We know a fraction with denominator 10 or its higher power can be converted to decimals easily. Therefore, it is convenient to find the decimal equivalent of a fraction by converting its denominator into some power of 10. In order to convert a fraction into a decimal, we follow these steps. Step 1, obtain the fraction and convert it into an equivalent fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000. हम denominator को 10, 100 और 1000 में convert करने की कोशिश करेंगे, right? Then step 2, write the numerator and mark decimal point after as many places from the right as there are zeros after 1 in the denominator. फिर जितनी zeros हैं उतने digits से पहले हम decimal point लगा देंगे. See for example 168 upon 100. So answer is 1.68. 7 upon 1000. So this is 0.007. 13 upon 5. अब यहाँ पर 10 या 100 या 1000 नहीं है तो 5 को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं 10 में. 5 2s, so 13 2s. So 26 upon 10, answer is 2.6. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to example 8. Convert the following into decimals. A part 3 upon 4. अब 4 को हम 10 नहीं बना सकते, 4 को हम 100 में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. 4 into 25. So 3 into 25, right? So 75 upon 100. Now write in the decimal form 0.75. Now B part 5 whole 1 by 2. This is 11 by 2. 2 को हम 10 बना सकते हैं. 2 5s, 11 5s, 55 by 10. That is 5.5. Now conversion by long division method. We can change a fraction into decimal by using the long division method. For that we have to follow these steps. Step 1, convert the dividend to a stable equivalent decimal. And then step 2, when a digit to the right of the decimal point is brought down, insert a decimal point in the quotient. See how to do. Example 9. Convert 29 upon 4 into decimal. यानी 29 को हम 4 से divide करेंगे. You know 4 7s are 28. Okay. Now minus कर देंगे. We are getting 1. अब हमारे पास हम decimal point लगाएंगे and we will take 1 0 down. So decimal start हो गया है. It means decimal point हमें quotient में भी लगाना है. So 7 point. Now 4 2s are 8. Okay, now minus करेंगे 2, then take next 0, it becomes 20. 4 5s are 20, remainder is 0. So answer is 7.25, right? Now exercise 2, question number 1, compare using greater than, less than or equal to. Like B part 0.5 and 0.15. So see, this becomes 0.50, this is 0.15. Whole part same. Come to 10th part, this is 5, this is 1. So 5 is greater than 1, it means this is bigger, right? Now like E part 6.359, 6.4. So make it like decimal. So now compare whole part same, compare 10th part, this is 3, this is 4. So which is bigger? This is bigger, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Can try remaining parts. Now see question number 2, convert the following unlike decimals into like decimals. Like B part 6.05, 6.66, 6.007. So highest is 3 decimal places. Okay, so 6.050, 6.600, and this is as it is, right? So very simple, you can try remaining parts. Now the next third question, rewrite the following in ascending, means increasing order. You can compare the numbers and then arrange in increasing order. Now the fourth one, convert the following decimals into fractions. Like B part 0.05 fraction में लाना है, तो what will you get? 5/100. कट कर सकते हैं 5 से, answer is 1/20. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth one, convert the following fractions into decimal. Here we have 10, 100 or 1000 as the denominator. So very simple, like H part 87/1000. So what will you get? 0.087. I part 9/1000. So 0.009. Okay. So very simple. Now the next is sixth one, convert the following fractions into decimal by changing denominator to 10 or multiples of 10. So like here 7/4, C part. So 4 को हम 100 बना देंगे, 4 into 25, 7 into 25. So this becomes 100 और ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? 175/100 means 1.75. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे आप 7th and 8th question try कर सकते हैं. Now the next is use of decimals. Example 10, express in kilograms using decimals. A part 2 kg 348 gram. It means 2 kg plus 348 gram. You know 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. तो हम ग्राम को भी चेंज कर देंगे kg में. So 348/1000 kg. Now write in decimal form. It becomes 2 kg plus 0.348 kg. So answer is 2.348 kg. Now B part 5 kg 35 gram. So 5 kg as it is, 35 gram को हम kg में convert करेंगे, 35/1000 kg. Now 5 kg plus it becomes 0.035 kg. So answer is 5.035 kg. Okay. Now C part 78 gram means 78/1000 kg. It becomes 0.078 kg. Now D part 5 gram. So 5/1000 kg. So this becomes 0.005 kg. I hope these are clear to you. Now next example 11, express in kilometers using decimals. A part 5 kilometer 245 meter. We know 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So here 5 kilometer plus 245 meter, इसको हम convert कर देंगे किलोमीटर में, 245/1000. So this becomes 5 किलोमीटर प्लस 0.245 किलोमीटर, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, we will get 5.245 kilometer. B part 9 kilometer 46 meter. So 9 kilometer plus 46 upon 1000 kilometer. अब हम कर देंगे convert into decimal. So 9 plus 0.046 kilometer. इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. This is the answer. Now C part 435 meter. So 435 upon 1000 kilometer, 0.435 kilometer. Now D part 56 meter, 56 upon 1000 kilometer, 0.056 kilometer. E part 4 meter, 4 upon 1000 kilometer, so 0.004 kilometer. I hope these are clear to you. Very simple. Example 12, express in rupees using decimals. We know 1 rupee equals to, rupee 1 equals to 100 paise. So here A part 26 rupees and 75 paise. So 26 rupees plus 75 upon 100 rupees means 0.75. So rupees 26.75. Now B part rupees 35 and 8 paise. So rupees 35 plus rupees 8 upon 100, it becomes 35 plus 0.08. So answer is rupees 35.08. C part rupees 6 and 9 paise. So rupees 6 plus 9 upon 100 means 6.09 rupees. Okay. Then next is 38 paise. 38 upon 100 rupees 0.38. Then 9 paise E part 9 upon 100 rupees 0.09. And then the last F part 104 paise, 104 upon 100. So this is rupees 1.04. Okay. Now exercise 3, based on such type of examples, see here question number 1, using decimals express. Like D part 15 kg 67 gram in kilogram. So what to do? 15 kg plus 67 upon 1000 kg. So this becomes 15 kg plus 0.067 kg. So answer is 15.067 kg. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, using decimals express. Like E part 35 meter in kilometer. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. तो मीटर से किलोमीटर में जाएंगे तो डिवाइड बाय 1000 kilometer. Now 0.035 kilometer. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Question number 3, using decimals express. Like B part 8 kg 96 gram in kilogram. So 8 kg as it is plus 96 gram. This becomes 96 upon 1000 kg. Yani 8 plus 0.096 kg. So answer is 8.096 kg. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 4, using decimals express. Like D part 5 paise in rupees. So 5 upon 100 rupees means 0.05 rupees. Okay. So very simple, you can try remaining parts. The next is addition and subtraction of decimals. For addition and subtraction of decimals, we have to follow these steps. Step 1, change the given decimals into like decimals. Step 2, write the numbers in columns so that decimal points should come in one column and 10th come under tenths, 100th comes under hundredths, like this. Now step 3, now add or subtract the decimals as we add or subtract the whole numbers. Now step 4, put the decimal in the sum or difference directly under the decimal point of all the decimals. Now example 13, add 5.87 and 3.8. So 5.87 as it is, change into like decimals, it becomes 3.80. So now write it 5.87, 3.80. Add 7 plus 0, 7, 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry, 5 plus 3, 8 and 1, 9. So 9.67. Now example 14, subtract 51.715 from 73.2. Convert into like decimals. So 73.2 becomes 73.200 and this is 51.715. दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. You know very well how to subtract the numbers. So answer is 21.485. Example 15, add 23.2, 52.0, 123.07 and 503.001. Convert into like decimals. 23.200, 52.000, 123.070, 503.001. Add all. So we are getting this answer. Okay. Now example 16. Rahul got rupees 15.50 from his mother and rupees 30.07 from his father. How much money did he get? So total दोनों का sum कर देंगे. So total money is 45 rupees 57 paise. Now example 17. The sum of two numbers is 100. If one is 87.76, find the other. तो other number कैसे find करेंगे? Sum में से one number minus कर देंगे. Sum is 100. We can write 100.00. One number 87.76. दोनों को subtract करेंगे. Answer is 12.24. Now exercise 4 based on such type of example. See question number 1. Add the following. Numbers को add करना है. Like E part 6.3 plus 12.37. So 6.30 plus 12.37. So what will you get? 18.67. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Question number 2 subtraction hai. You can try on your own. Third one, simplify the following. Like here B part 2.9 plus 1.2 minus 3.5. यानी first of all इन दोनों numbers को add कर दो. 2.9 plus 1.2. What will you get? 2.9 plus 1.2. इन दोनों को add करेंगे. We are getting 4.1 minus कर देंगे 3.5. So answer is 0.6. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे ही हमारे पास some statement questions हैं. You can try on your own. So I hope this is clear to you. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1, filling the blanks. Like here A part, decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Okay. And B part, 4 parts out of 10. 4 upon 10 means 4 tenths. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining statements. Now question number 2, state true or false. Like A part, every fraction with denominator 10 or multiples of 10 can be written in decimal notation. Yes, this is true. Like the F part, lowest form of a decimal 0.005 is 5 upon 100. No, this is false. It should be 5 upon 1000 और फिर इसको हम कट कर देंगे 5 से. So this statement is false. So similarly, you can try remaining statements. Now this is the time of maths lab activity. Objective to understand the addition of two decimal numbers. So material required: square paper, sketch pens, geometry box, a pair of scissors. Now procedure how to do it. Let us find the addition of 0.43 and 0.55. तो हम इसको करेंगे with the help of square paper. So you can try this one on your own. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.